For the years I've been doing this and all the pursuits I've been in, this is definitely a first. I mean, people run from us, but not in a semi.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want.
Got a couple of tires left.
Back to the front.
All right, go to the sheriff's office!
Keep your hands up. Walk this way backwards.
Hey, what the hell I gotta do with anything?
Get out!
The driver came out holding a baby. Looks like he had his whole family in there.
Would I stop you right there? I mean, but why'd you run, though? We don't have time for that.
I had time for that, bro, either.
Still trying to figure out why he ran so long, but he put that whole family in danger running through all this mess.
Señor.
So he's saying a black guy was trying to, unknown black man was trying to rob him. That's what he was running from. The story's not making sense.
Can you show me the video when he tests? Front's fine. Just one guy? Two? You're going to be booked into jail for robbery tonight.
I'll see you about 4 years.
That's fine. I'll still be out here.
I'll be getting away.
Sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
My apartment.
You need to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna get maced.
Smelling tucked.
You're gonna get maced.
Yeah.
Do you wanna get maced?
No.